Supervisor Training, Module 9, Audits. The main way that we monitor the effectiveness of our safety program is through safety audits. This highlights our strengths and weaknesses that develop over time in a program. It is through this process that our program is always changing and growing. We have a current certificate of recognition, or CORE. This shows that we have a functioning health and safety program. A functioning program is more than just policies. These policies must be followed, and we have to show our due diligence. Due diligence is taking all reasonable precautions under circumstances to prevent injuries or incidents in the workplace. In most cases, the only way to show or prove due diligence is through paperwork. To keep our core current, we must continue to grow our health and safety program. To show this, we participate in the following 3-year process. Year 1, internal audit, conducted by Saunders Landscaping. Year 2, internal audit, conducted by Saunders Landscaping. Year 3, external or peer audit, conducted by an external company. At this time, we would have to conduct an audit for another company. The internal audit years can be replaced by completing an action plan and having it approved by the Alberta Construction Safety Association, or ACSA, if we meet the minimum scoring requirements. Audits are conducted by trained and experienced auditors. Each audit consists of 3 main steps: documentation, confirmation of policies, procedures, practices, rules, forms, and completed paperwork to show the program is meeting the standards and functions. Observation, visual confirmation that the policies, procedures, practices, rules, and forms are appropriate to the work and what they are doing. Also confirms that they are being followed. Interviews, confirmation through employees of all levels that they understand the policies, procedures, practices, rules, and legislation. Each audit examines the following areas of the safety program: management commitment, public visitors and contracted employers, health and safety committees or health and safety representatives, training, hazard assessment, hazard control, inspections and maintenance, emergency response, investigations, and program administration. Once the audit is complete, it is sent to the ACSA to be reviewed and finalized. Each question is scored. To achieve standard and maintain our core, we would need to score at least 50% in all applicable categories, as well as 80% overall. After all corrections have been made and the final review has been completed, we develop an action plan, which is essentially corrective actions to help further our program. Our last scheduled external audit in 2019, we achieved a standard score of 89%. Our goal for the next audit is 92. If you would like to review our past audit, please let the office know and it can be made available. To demonstrate competency in this section, you'll be required to complete the Module 9 quiz. You must receive 80% or higher to be certified as trained.